Today, I want to talk about this pandemic, COVID-19, and our response to it. Now it's more than 3 months, and it may go up to 1 year or even more. Everybody's getting restless, and people are breaking rules, people are breaking social distancing norms, and it is not good. I'm speaking to you, students in particular. All of you have been promoted to the next semester, will be promoted to the next semester, but there is uncertainty. There is uncertainty about future. There is uncertainty about competitive exams, about job, about normal life. Everybody is uncertain, including myself. Everybody wants to get back to normal life, but there is no need to get restless. There is no need to get desperate. Don't break social distancing rules. Don't do that. Use masks. Science is our only ally. Our response to COVID-19, dear students, must be very scientific. Science is our only ally. There is no cure to COVID-19 till now. Except social distancing, cleaning hands, maintaining good hygiene and putting on masks. And social distancing basically. This is the only methodology through which we can win this situation. Normal time will certainly come. It may take 1 year, but normal time will certainly come. What is important is that we survive this time. We survive this time in a robust manner. This is the time to show our mental strength. This is the time to show how mentally tough we are, how strong our mind is. This is the time to show that. This is the time to prove that. Normal time will certainly come. Do not get restless. It is natural to get disturbed, but we have to control ourselves. I am talking to you, students. Exercise. Light exercise, light food. Maintain that. Then go for conscious breathing. Sit and notice your breathing for 5 minutes. Just believe me. Do it for 5 minutes each day. When you do it for long, you will know how effective it is. Mind your breathing, conscious breathing for 5 minutes. At least for 5 minutes. If you can do it for more, it's better. Routine, you see. Routine will carry you through. ऐसे पड़े हुए हैं बिस्तर में, टाइम निकला जा रहा है, कुछ नहीं कर रहे. No, not that. Maintain a routine. Routine will carry you forward. Routine is important. Small things are important. Getting up is important. Exercising is important. Please do that. It will add to your mental strength. Read and write regularly. Good material. Read and write. Keep preparing for the competitive exams. Don't lose sight of your aim. Keep your eyes on the aim. That time will come. Have patience. Listen to good music and connect. Many of you are already connecting. Some of you have come to meet me in person, one person at a time. I can always meet you with social distancing. Connect online. We are going to organize more webinars. We are going to organize more meetings. We are definitely going to have more lectures also. We will try to connect from the side of the department, we will certainly try for more connectivity. Keep connected. हमको भी आप सबकी बहुत याद आती है. हमको भी वो सारा जो नॉर्मल समय है, क्लास है, एक्सकर्शंस हैं, अपने फंक्शंस हैं, सबकी बहुत याद आती है. लेकिन वो समय निश्चित आएगा, डेफिनेटली वो समय आएगा ही आएगा. इसलिए अभी धैर्य रखने की ज़रूरत है, जुड़े रहने की ज़रूरत है, और किसी भी हाल में ये नियम तोड़िए मत. बिकॉज ऑन योर बिहेवियर डिपेंड्स माई सिक्योरिटी, ऑन माई बिहेवियर डिपेंड्स योर सिक्योरिटी. Virus has only one behavior. Virus knows how to multiply itself. That's all. वायरस के पास कोई कॉन्शियसनेस नहीं है. उसको तो सिर्फ it has to grow. Till the time it becomes a normal virus, till the time we find a cure for it, till the time we get into herd immunity, till the time we are ready to face it, we have to be cautious. We have to be very cautious. इस बात का ध्यान रखिए, खुश रहिए और जुड़े रहिए. Please do that. So, thank you so much.